A quantum leap in smartphone evolution, unveiling the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. In a world that thrives on technological marvels, where each sunrise promises a glimpse into the future, there are moments that stir the soul of innovation enthusiasts worldwide. Today, we are on the precipice of one such moment, where the boundaries of what's possible in the smartphone realm are about to be shattered. Behold, the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, two gleaming stars in the ever-expanding galaxy of smartphones. These remarkable devices are poised to redefine the way we interact, capture memories, and experience the digital universe. As the curtains rise on this epic unveiling, it's not merely a product launch. It's a cosmic collision of cutting-edge technology and artistic finesse. The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are more than just phones. They're portals to a universe where every pixel tells a story and every interaction feels like magic, with an excitement that reverberates through the tech sphere. These devices are poised to enchant, empower, and enrapture. The future is pixelated, and it's a future worth celebrating. Join us as we delve into the heart of this mesmerizing innovation, where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, and where the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro stand as beacons of hope in the ever-advancing world of technology. Unveiling the flagship duo, a glimpse into tomorrow's tech marvels. Step into a world where innovation knows no bounds as we unveil the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, two technological titans set to redefine the smartphone landscape. These flagship devices herald the future, equipped with groundbreaking features that push the boundaries of what we thought possible. With a mesmerizing fusion of design and functionality, Google has once again set the bar sky-high. The Pixel 8 series is not just a step forward, it's a giant leap. Expect unparalleled performance, an eye-driven camera system that captures the extraordinary, and seamless integration into Google's ecosystem. These devices are more than phones. Cutting-edge design, where artistry meets innovation. In the world of smartphones, aesthetics and functionality have never danced so elegantly as they do with the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Their design is nothing short of a masterpiece, where artistry and innovation have come together in perfect harmony. These devices are a visual feast, adorned with sleek contours and premium materials that beg to be touched. What sets the Pixel 8 series apart is not just its exterior, but the meticulous attention to detail. From the refined symmetry to the near bezel-less displays, every aspect has been carefully crafted to provide an immersive experience. These phones don't just look good, they feel right in your hand. With a design that mirrors the future, the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro aren't just phones. They are the embodiment of elegance and precision, redefining what a smartphone should be. Stunning display, where imagination meets reality. The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro take visual brilliance to unparalleled heights, and it all begins with their stunning displays. Prepare to be mesmerized as you delve into the captivating world of screens that redefine your perception of reality. These devices aren't just phones. They are portals to a visual utopia. Picture this: crystal clear, vibrant, and larger than life. The displays on the Pixel 8 series are a testament to technological finesse, boasting cutting-edge innovations that ignite the senses. With every pixel, colors burst to life, images come alive with astounding clarity, and videos transport you into alternate dimensions. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are your window to a world where every glance, every interaction is a breathtaking spectacle. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or crafting the perfect photograph, these displays make every moment an extraordinary experience. With screens that border on the surreal, these devices are not just smartphones. They are portals to a future where imagination and reality merge seamlessly. Performance powerhouse, unleashing limitless potential. Prepare to embark on a journey where speed and power know no bounds. The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are more than just smartphones. They are veritable performance powerhouses, ready to redefine your expectations. With cutting-edge hardware and relentless innovation, these devices are set to revolutionize your digital experience. Underneath their sleek exteriors lies a formidable arsenal. Equipped with the latest processors and an abundance of RAM, the Pixel 8 series blazes through tasks, effortlessly handling the most demanding applications and games. Say goodbye to lag and hello to uninterrupted productivity and entertainment. Whether you're a multitasking maestro or a gaming virtuoso, these devices are your trusted companions. AI and camera innovations. capturing brilliance with every click. In the ever-evolving realm of smartphone photography, the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro emerge as true pioneers. Prepare to witness a revolution in mobile imaging, where artificial intelligence and camera innovations merge to capture the essence of brilliance in every click. These devices are more than just phones. They are your gateway to photographic excellence. The magic begins with AI-powered wizardry. Imagine a camera that not only sees but understands your environment, adjusting settings on the fly to ensure the perfect shot. The Pixel 8 series transforms novice photographers into seasoned pros, delivering stunning results in any lighting conditions. From low-light masterpieces to breathtaking portraits, these phones redefine the art of visual storytelling. But it doesn't stop there. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro introduce you to a world of cinematic videography, where your videos are elevated to a whole new level of professionalism. With cutting-edge stabilization and unparalleled clarity, your memories come to life like never before. Software and AI integration, your seamless digital ecosystem. In the digital age, your smartphone is more than just a gadget, it's an extension of your life. Enter the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, where software and artificial intelligence converge to create a seamless, immersive digital ecosystem. Imagine a phone that adapts to you, not the other way around. The Pixel 8 series takes user experience to unparalleled heights, learning from your habits and preferences to deliver a tailor-made interface. With AI at its core, it predicts your next move, making your smartphone interactions effortless and intuitive. Pricing and availability, the future in your grasp. Excitement reaches its zenith as we uncover the gateway to the future. The pricing and availability of the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. These marvels of technology are poised to revolutionize your digital life, and the good news is that they're within reach. The value proposition of the Pixel 8 series is as compelling as its features. With a pricing strategy that's designed to offer accessibility without compromising on innovation, Google has opened the doors to a wider audience. It's a game changer, ensuring that cutting-edge technology isn't confined to the elite. Conclusion: a pixel-powered future beckons. In closing, we stand at the precipice of a digital renaissance, and the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are our guiding lights. These remarkable devices have proven that they are not just phones. They are emissaries from the future, bearing the gifts of innovation, connectivity, and boundless creativity. With cutting-edge design, awe-inspiring displays, as we take our leave, remember this: the future is pixelated, and it's a future that promises to be more exciting, more connected, and more extraordinary than ever before. Embrace it, seize it, and let the Pixel 8 series be your companions on this thrilling journey into the digital age. The future is now, and it's breathtaking.